Hi guys, welcome to Pinoy Drama Channel. Sa araw na ito, ating babalikan ang mga highest-rated teleseries sa history ng Pilipinas base sa tala ng AGB Nielsen. So tara, simulan na natin. At number 20, Amaya, kung saan pinagbidahan ni Marian Rivera. Pinalabas ito from May 30, 2011 to January 13, 2012, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 42.6%. At number 19, Sa Puso Ko, Iingatan Ka, na pinagbidahan ni Judy Ann Santos at Piolo Pascual. Pinalabas ito from June 18, 2001 to February 14, 2003, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 42.7%. At number 18, Sugo, na pinagbidahan ni Richard Gutierrez. Pinalabas ito from July 4, 2005 to February 10, 2006, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 43.2%. At number 17, Cristala, na pinagbidahan ni Judy Ann Santos and Ryan Agoncillo. Pinalabas ito from October 11, 2004 to April 22, 2005, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 43.1%. At number 16, Captain Barbell, na pinagbidahan ni Richard Gutierrez. Pinalabas ito from May 29, 2006 to January 12, 2007, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 43.7%. At number 15, Decibel, na pinagbidahan ni Marian Rivera and Dingdong Dantes. Pinalabas ito from April 28 to October 17, 2008, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 44.9%. At number 14, Mara Clara, na pinagbidahan ni Judy Ann Santos at Gladys Reyes. Pinalabas ito from August 17, 1992 to February 14, 1997, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 45.1%. At number 13, Saan Ka Man Naroroon, na pinagbidahan ni Claudine Barreto at Diether Ocampo. Pinalabas ito from April 12, 1999 to March 23, 2001, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 46.8%. At number 12, Darna, na pinagbidahan ni Marian Rivera. Pinalabas ito from August 10, 2009 to February 19, 2010, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 47.1%. At number 11, Bituin, na pinagbidahan ni Nora Honor at Cherry Gill. Pinalabas ito from September 23, 2002 to May 23, 2003, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 48.7%. At number 10, Mulawin, na pinagbidahan ni Richard Gutierrez, Angel Locsin at Dennis Trillo. Pinalabas ito from August 2, 2004 to March 18, 2005, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 48.6%. At number 9, Sana'y Wala Nang Wakas, na pinagbidahan ni Christine Hermosa and Jericho Rosales. Pinalabas ito from May 19, 2003 to July 9, 2004, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 49.3%. At number 8, Marina, na pinagbidahan ni Claudine Barreto at Diether Ocampo. Pinalabas ito from February 23 to November 11, 2004, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 50.8%. At number 7, Encantadia, na pinagbidahan ni Sunshine Dizon, Iza Calzado, Karil at Diana Zubiri. Pinalabas ito from May 2, 2005 to April 28, 2006, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 51.7%. At number 6, Basta't Kasama Kita, na pinagbidahan ni Judy Ann Santos and Robin Padilla. Pinalabas ito from May 26, 2003 to September 10, 2004, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 52.5%. At number 5, Marimar, na pinagbidahan ni Marian Rivera and Dingdong Dantes. Pinalabas ito from August 13, 2007 to March 14, 2008, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 52.6%. At number 4, Darna, na pinagbidahan ni Angel Locsin and Dennis Trillo. Pinalabas ito from April 4 to November 25, 2005 kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 54.3%. At number 3, Mula sa Puso, na pinagbidahan ni Claudine Barreto and Diether Ocampo. Pinalabas ito from March 10, 1997 to April 9, 1999, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 53.7%. At number 2, Pangako Sa'yo, na pinagbidahan ni Christine Hermosa and Jericho Rosales. Pinalabas from November 13, 2000 to September 20, 2002, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 64.9%. At number 1, Esperanza, na pinagbidahan ni Judy Ann Santos at Wawi de Guzman. Pinalabas ito from February 17, 1997 to July 30, 1999, kung saan nakapagtala ng all-time high rating na 67%. So what do you think, guys? Comment down below and please don't forget to subscribe.